Hi y'all, this is Gina here. Welcome to my channel. I got this in the mail today. And y'all, this I think is the best one I've received. I opened it. Yes, I did. I had to look. I opened it. And it says, "Hello. Craft with love. Craft with passion. Use your skills and show your talent. Be creative, make it fierce, indulge into creative bliss." Ariel. And let me all see this bad. Look at all this goodies. I see these bows. Oh, these bows, y'all. Don't look at my nails, man. I gotta go get a feel. And I haven't opened them up. I just kind of looked, thumbed through all the packages. These, oh, they're faux leather bows, y'all. Oh, yes. That's what they are. See, I didn't really get into them all. They're pretty, they're real pretty. And then you got all, see, she gave you 3 sets of bows, teal, a pink, a light pink. Can y'all tell? Yeah, that's a dark pink and this is a light pink. You know. And then you got your teals. Yes. And then look at these. Goodness. I guess these I could put in my shakers. Huh? Yes, I could put these in my shakers. They're like little sequins. Yeah. I was out in the garden. Yeah, they're little, you can put these in your sequins mix. Aren't they cute? You got yellow, white, and teal. Yeah. And I was going to get these the other day, and I'm glad I didn't. I got letters for my beads. And I got some more little, I guess, D-rings. I guess you want to call them clamps. Look at these flowers. I kind of like this. This one is the best one I got. If I can open these up. I'm going to have to tell that man when he does my nails this week. Yeah. They're like little cabochons. Aren't those cute? And you got a few colors. Pinks and your teals and your light pinks. Yeah. Those are cute. Little resin cabochons. And I got some star beads in yellow, light blue, and teal. Yeah. And a pink, a light pink. And like, this is a peachy color, y'all, peach. And then a dark pink. You got a lot of stars. Yeah, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then these bigger ones. I didn't see these. I was just kind of glancing. Are these for beads? No, they're just cabochons. They don't have no hole. No. They're just like cabochons. They don't have no holes or anything. Oops. See, these have holes. Yeah. Look at these, y'all. Oh my goodness. You got some puffy heart shakers. You got mint green, purple. I guess that's like a fuchsia and a pink, and they mix. Aren't these cute to gift? I thought those were cute. Add them to a project, or, you know, stars. Shaker stars. Shaker puffy stars. We got some trim, y'all. Some beautiful trim. Ooh, that's so soft. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, this is the front. Isn't that pretty, y'all? That is pretty. Pretty trim for the pretty projects. That is pretty. Let's see how many yards. But that's it. Yeah. Just looking. I got a lot of stars. A lot of these to add to my beads and my charms. I think I'm gonna make some charms and beads and all that. I'm gonna put everything back. I like her packaging, her boxes. And I love these in my bows. Yes. Never been into that. Oh. So anyways, that was my creative Mojo. And I made this card today for my mother. This has 17 dies in it, y'all. 17. And I'll tell you, when you do your first die cuts, it leaves an impression, like an embossed, to where you know where to put all these little deals, your extras. Because you got like 3 of these centers, 2, and then it cuts all these little extras out like these, and 2 of these, y'all. And the leaves were 3, because I cut one out in black, because they are colorized. So you could, you know, the first cut on this, and then I just put some little bit of, what do you call it, glossy accents around some of the petals, just in the leaves, just kind of give it a wet look, you know. And then I die cut that, and I'm still gotta, and when I did this, I did highlight a little bit with my distress inks of my green. I used the pine needles, and then I used a pink around the pink areas. I didn't do any of the yellows because I didn't even think. What I should have done with the yellow was the top layer, kind of give it a really light, like a white color, and then that way it would see through. But yeah, I did this last night, and I thought, wow, that is a pretty die cut. I mean, yes. And I have another. And tell me what you think on that. I made 2 of them. And I have a question. I got these dies. They, let me see. They don't even say what they are. I got them on Amazon. And they come like together, and when you take them apart, I gotta get me some more magnets to put in my photo book. But I taped them together so they wouldn't come apart. Well, just not come apart, but what do you want to say? I don't want to have to go look for them. It's because you gotta die cut the friend and then the shadow. I don't know if they look good like that. If I use the same color cardstock, I use glitter cardstock, and then I use the cardstock. But I don't know. Should I done them all in black or in the same color as the glitter star? You know, I didn't do this one because I wanted to kind of see, does it look good like this one, like the friend, or the awesome? And these are good to add on to your cards or any ephemera, you know, they're just ephemera pieces to add to your photo books or anything. And I thought, well, they are pretty. They are very pretty. And I made this other one. This was the first attempt I made. This leaf right here is very delicate. That I had die cut at that. The stem 4 times on heavy cardstock, and it was still kind of limpy like this. This is just one time. But, yeah. So, and I did the other one 4 times to give it a little bit more raised look. And I did this one. And I did the center in gold. But I didn't do any of the edging with the inks or anything. I'm going to use that on a project, I think. I'm not going to throw it away because it's still pretty. But yeah, that's my project share and my 15 minutes of fame, y'all, here on YouTube. And I got so much things to do right now. Get ready for my vacay. I'm getting really excited because we've been planning for this trip for 4 years, and every year it's been like, oh, it's flooded, hurricane, you name it. This year we've had a lot of rain, but I called this morning and she said it's still good. And I said, okay, because we're going to take our boat and everything, and we're going to Caddo Lake. It's in down by Kennard, Texas. It's on the Louisiana border, so I'm kind of getting excited over this trip. We've had our cabin paid for since February, and I'm getting really excited to go. Because actually, we're finally get to go. Our son's not here, though. He was supposed to be here because this was a family trip thing that we're supposed to go to. But you know how it goes. They grow up and take off. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this video and all this and get some crafting done. Okay, bye, y'all. Have a great evening.